Hi everybody, it's Katrina. Welcome to the Crafty Corner. So, we're going to shop my stash and we're going to create a superhero basket. Turn you around. This is going to be our container here. So let's shop the stash. Alright y'all, so we're going to put these concepts together. I'm going to start off with one of these. So let me get it down. And as you can see, it's the tray activity set. Alright, so this is DC Comics. It is a tray activity set. We're going to start off with this. And we're just going to put it in our bucket here. Let's see what other goodies we got up here. I think that's going to be it for the top shelf. Yep. Y'all see them trolls. Got to do those too. Let's see. Now, let's go into here and see what we got. And these shelves were very organized, but when you're in and out of them, they can get a little disorganized. Alright, so let's see. Okay. We have an Avengers play pack. This is Marvel. We're going to mix it with DC Comics. Yes, we are. Alright, we have the Transformers crown pack. We're going to put that in there. Color changing tumbler. We're going to use one of those that has the snack compartment on top. Alright, we got Superman. We got the Hulk. Which I'm going to put these with the Hulk, those bubbles. We got Batman. He's going in there too. Alright, then I have these scratch off superhero packs that I got back at Easter time. So they don't have anything on them that say Easter. Alright, and then once I get this built, we will see if I need anything else for it. Hi everybody, it's Katrina. So this is our superhero basket. And this is one of my holiday baskets. It is a Mod Podge basket because it includes all the superheroes, not just one specific thing. Alright, so we started this basket off with our big tray set here. Alright, and that is a DC Comics tray. You can see Batman sticking out of there. Alright. And I took it out of the box so that we could see the backing of it too, because it did have activity sets and crowns and stuff attached to the back, and I left those there. Alright, and this is just a little hand game from Dollar Tree that I included. I put our Batman socks in here. We have our electronic water gun. It works on batteries. We have a Superman puzzle here. Right, and then back here, right here, we have a superhero activity kit. Alright, I included the Spider-Man bag so that they can put their toys and stuff in the bag and the bucket. We have some crowns and some sidewalk chalk. I have the Spider-Man, which is Marvel, Dark Webs. This is one of the little comic books. Alright, we also have Marvel, the Hulk, up here, along with the Hulk's little green wand. Alright, and then on the back, you can see some of the activity kits that are included in the tray. I included the Avengers Surprise Play Pack Grab and Go. And we have our Transformers here. These are crowns. We have our Batman puzzle. And we have some markers here. So everything in this basket is an activity of some sort. Except for the slippers. But I wanted to keep this all, and this is how you build a Mod Podge basket, y'all. It is Mod Podge because it has one particular theme, and that's superheroes. But all of the superheroes do not come from the same melting pot. So we have the Marvel characters, the DC comic characters. We also have, because this is an activity basket, our sidewalk chalk for activities, crowns to facilitate with activities, a play set to play with, as well as our water gun, our bubbles, and our big Hulk bouncy ball. So once it's blown up, they can sit on it and bounce. Alright, so I'm going to wrap this up. This is another theme, another Mod Podge basket done in the superhero theme. Alright, and it doesn't limit the child to just one superhero. There's a plethora of them in here that they can choose from. So please tell me what you think. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing.